It's like someone crossed like a meat empanada with like a Pop-Tart. Definitely strange. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines. Today we're going to do another Filipino snack taste test. I've actually got snacks just from IloIlo today. We had to go there. My girlfriend Mary had to go there for work, so we visited and I stopped at a couple places. One was the Bizcocho House. It's a chain. I don't know if it's just in IloIlo, but I visited it there. And then Panaderia de Molo. Molo is like a church and mansion and a park there in kind of downtown IloIlo. I got some different treats there. I'm only going to do 5 today. We actually got some more, so maybe I'll do a part 2 of this video. And we're just going to taste test these and see how they are. Let's get started with Panaderia de Molo. This is galetas, maybe in Filipino it's pronounced with the L's. It's a Spanish word. Right back, let me get a knife. So yeah, galletas is Spanish for cookie. They kind of look like cookies. There we go. They're sealed up nice, which is always good. I believe this is number 13 of our snack videos, so I've been through quite a few. Let's see. Nice, super thin. They smell just like a plain cookie, like a sugar cookie maybe. Let's give it a shot. Definitely very subtle, not very sweet. They're good. The lady in the shop told me this was one of her favorites. And they were all very cheap. I think this was like 20 pesos or something. Very tasty, very crisp. It's like a cracker almost, but more sweet. I think this would be great with a little bit of ice cream or maybe some like sweetened cream cheese with some cinnamon sugar or something. These are really nice. The Panaderia de Molo was very near. There's maybe 1 block walk from the Molo Church in Iloilo City. So if you're there, give them a shot. These I would say give it a solid 7.5 out of 10. They're good. I would eat them again. Not my favorite just because they're so small and thin, but yeah, they're nice. I would definitely eat those again. Next, let's give it a shot for Broas, Broas, B-R-O-A-S. I had these in Bohol actually when I went. I thought they were from there, but maybe they're in more islands. So they're like a lady finger, is what we would call these in America. Like a shaped like an eclair, kind of like a finger shape. Even more subtle, like just like a baked flavor. I know I read in Bohol that these were made from egg yolk because all the egg whites were used in mortar for the Spanish forts around that area. So since all the egg whites were used for the mortar, they had to use something with the egg yolks, and so they ended up making these cookies. Let's give them a shot. Just like I remember from Bohol. Very subtle, more thick, more like a regular cookie consistency. They do taste a little different just because of the yolk. They're very yellow. I actually use these to make mango float. They absorb the mango and cream really well, so they get very soft. If you ever have extra on hand, it's really worth trying to make that yourself. These I like a lot. I would say this is an 8 out of 10, 8.0. Super nice. Again, very subtle, not super sweet. I can see how these are like a classic Filipino dessert or cookie, biscuit, as they call them here. These are also from Panaderia de Molo. It says IloIlo's oldest bakery. I don't know how old that is. I should have asked more about the history of it. But anyway, that's number 2, Broas, with a 8.0. Next, let's try toasted mamon. Mamon, I know is for a fact is made in lots of other places. This is from the Bizcocho House, though. Let's see. It's like a little cupcake. almost. Very crispy. In America, you would call these like a vanilla wafer. Like a really thick, crunchy vanilla wafer. I bet these would be good in mango float too, just because they're so hard and thick. Make a really distinct layer in the mango float. These are nice. They're not very sweet. I would say this is somewhere in between the two, the galletas and the broas. The mamon I'll give like a 7.7. Super nice. I've already eaten half this bag before I taste tested it, so obviously I do like them. And I know mamon are very popular, so if you've had them, maybe you know a better variety, maybe a better bakery that makes them that I should try out. Let me know what you think. That's number 3. Let's try, next let's go with this classic butterscotch. This is from the Bizcocho house. I have been wanting to get into these, but I've been waiting. The butterscotch just sounds so delicious. Let's see, okay. No smell really, they're all individually wrapped, which is rare here. Oh, it looks very soft. Oh yeah, definitely like a little brownie. Very, very moist. It smells just like butterscotch, like a kind of like a caramel scent. Super moist. Yeah, like a classic brownie consistency. No chocolate in it though. These are nice. Very soft. Like I wonder how they get them so soft. That's crazy. It says just sugar, flour, butter, eggs, cashews, and milk. That all sounds pretty natural. There's like, I don't know, maybe 15 of these in this bag. And this bag was about 100, so it seems like a good deal to me. Definitely bite-sized. These are awesome. These are really good. I mean, I could see myself eating this whole bag in one sitting. They're just so soft and creamy. They definitely taste buttery. They taste very rich with the butterscotch flavor. I would say this is easy. I'm gonna give this a 8.9 out of 10. Very good. I would definitely buy these again for some pasta lubong. If we might go back to IloIlo a couple times a year, and so if I go back, I'm gonna get these every time. These are awesome, especially because you get a lot. You can give them out to all the kids and stuff. Yeah, this is my favorite so far. Next, let's try. This is from the Bizcocho house. This is their hopia. I know hopia is a very common snack here, but this is their brand at the Bizcocho house. It says the Bizcocho house started in Jaro, IloIlo, so maybe it is endemic to that that island. These look very like yellow. I don't know if that's egg yolk. It smells interesting. Not like a dessert. It smells like maybe there's meat inside. I honestly have no idea what's in here. It's like puff pastry or phyllo dough. There's no meat inside that I can tell. It's very dense though, very heavy. It's like a cream, maybe? Let's give it a shot. Weird consistency, like something hard and chewy inside. There's something dark in here. I'm trying to tell. It looks like leaves. Maybe someone can tell me what's inside hopia. I have no idea what I'm eating. It's like someone crossed like a meat empanada with like a Pop-Tart. Definitely strange. I mean, it's not bad. I just like, I can usually identify what I'm eating. It does smell like meat. It's strange. But it has the consistency of like a cream donut, maybe. You got me. Someone let me know what goes in hopia. They're good. I think just because I don't know what I'm eating and it's like kind of meaty. I'm gonna give this one a 6.7. I like it. I don't know if I would buy these again. but they're definitely interesting. I'm sure the kids will love it when I give it to them later. So yeah, these are all 5 snacks I got from IloIlo. If there's any pasalubong from your island or places you visited, let me know and I'll see if I can find those and try them next. That's it for now, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.